Care Coordinators Training. Care is more than a duty, it's a responsibility to protect, support, and empower lives. Introducing our Care Coordinator Training, designed to prepare you for real-world healthcare environments. Learn how to work confidently across different healthcare settings while maintaining health, safety, and hygiene standards. Build essential communication skills and understand your role as a compassionate caregiver and healthcare professional. Gain critical knowledge in safeguarding, protecting both children and adults, and responding to abuse and vulnerability. Promote equality, diversity, and dignity in care while following key principles, policies, and legal standards. Develop awareness of dementia and learn how to provide respectful, person-centered support. Start your journey in care with confidence. Enroll today and make a difference where it matters most.